This 2005 Hummer H2 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Hummer H2 SUT 6000 V8 engine, 4-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power windows, power door locks, stealth gray exterior, gray leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2005 Hummer H2 SUT is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.